So you've landed your first job online and it is exciting, right? But here's the truth most people won't tell you. Getting a client is just step one, and keeping them is what builds your freelancing career. In today's video, I'll show you how to impress your clients, earn 5-star reviews, and keep getting repeat projects, even as a beginner working from home or from your hostel room. Alright, so now that you've landed your first job and your client is paying you well, the next big question is, how do you make sure you keep that client happy and maintain a great reputation? Working online means your professionalism is your brand. The way you handle your clients can determine whether you get repeat work, referrals, or glowing reviews. To stand out and build lasting relationships, follow these simple but powerful principles. Number 1, be punctual and reliable. Always deliver your projects on or before the deadline. Most clients operate on tight schedules, and being punctual builds trust faster than anything else. If you ever face unexpected delays, communicate early. Never keep your clients guessing. Number 2, communicate clearly and regularly. Keep your clients updated throughout the process. Send short progress messages, share drafts or milestones, and ask questions when necessary. Even if your client isn't responding right away, consistent communication shows commitment and professionalism. Number 3, maintain professional language. When chatting with clients, avoid slangs or overly casual expressions like K, KK, or hey. Treat every message as a business interaction. Write in full sentences, use polite greetings, and respond thoughtfully. Professionalism in communication earns respect and often determines whether you'll be rehired. Number 4, ask for feedback. When you complete a task, don't just submit and disappear. Ask if the client needs any revisions or additional support. This shows that you care about the quality of your work and value their satisfaction. Over time, this attitude turns one-time clients into long-term partners. Number 5, be polite and appreciative. Clients have endless options online, so never take it for granted when they choose you. A simple thank you for trusting me with this project goes a long way. Politeness leaves a lasting impression and often opens the door to more opportunities. If a client is rude or disrespectful, stay calm and professional. Report the issue through the freelancing platform rather than retaliating. Your reputation is worth far more than a single argument. Number 6, deliver quality work consistently. No matter the size of the job, always give your best. Clients notice effort and consistency. Focus on accuracy, creativity, and meeting expectations. A well-done project can earn you 5-star reviews, referrals, as well as bonuses. Freelancing platforms allow both clients and freelancers to rate each other after a job. Here's a general idea. 5 stars means excellent, 4 stars means very good, 3 stars fair, 2 stars or below needs improvement. So you should aim for 4 stars and above on every project. High ratings strengthen your profile and attract better paying clients over time. Remember, the secret to long-term freelancing success isn't just skill, but rather character. When clients see that you're dependable, communicative, and respectful, they'll keep coming back. Before long, you won't need to chase jobs. The jobs will find you. Yes, skills get you hired, but character keeps you hired. Be punctual, communicate clearly, and always give your best. That's how clients remember your name. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss more freelancing tips that can change your life. See you in the next one and keep hustling smart. Bye-bye.